Create a new model. Make the size same as your sensor rotor. Relief import 3D model. And choose the 3D model we made. Make it to center. And we need to rotate this relief and make this side upward. So we'll try this. The x-axis will make it rotate minus 90 degree. Apply. And z-axis 90 degree. Apply. And we press the center button again. Okay, and then we can position it at the bottom left corner if you want. So we make it 0 and 0, apply. We press paste and cancel. So we get this relief imported into ArtCAM. Now we'll make two paths. Click two paths. In the 3D two paths, the first one, create machine relief two path. We'll use automatic rendering. So ArtCAM will find the boundary of this relief automatically. We choose finishing tool, we use this ball nose. And we set the step down to 5 mm. Also, we should use a roughing tool. We'll make it this 6 mm. Select, and we also make the step down to 5 mm. And we can name the number here to 2 if you have a ATC machine. ATV stands for auto tool changing. Okay, and for the finishing tool, we shall make the angle to 30 degrees, for example. Okay. So here it shows that there will be 7 slices for this thickness. Okay. We calculate now. Then we make a simulation. So here is the roughing toolpath simulated. And here is what we'll get at last. Some part will be cut off. Okay. Now we can save the two paths. And recheck the order and the two number before you save it. And we can use the post-processor built-in and save it. Okay, thank you for watching.